Hello, so let's see how to declare a new system in Heex. So you go to the system views, you can see on the left hand side. You click top right on create a system. You can select the kind of system you have. We're going to take an AMR. And here you have multiple steps. So first let me give it a name. I can put a description, whatever fits me. I can give or not some technical information such as the OS. We're going to pick Ubuntu. And middleware such as ROS2. Here I can have as many labels as I want, a set of key value pairs that fit my needs, like the team, the location, whether it's for test, production, and whatever. So here we're going to add 2, for example, but again I can add as many as I want, so let's add a third. Bottom I can assign it to a group, so that can be whatever, it's just to more easily manage vast amounts of robots. So you can say group site A, site B, whatever you see fit, it's up to you. Then I have a quick summary of the system I just declared, and then I can declare it into Heex, and it's going to be usable. We can see it here, AMR1.